Hi there, my name's Vanessa Aponte, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the unique perspective that I bring into the legal field through my background in psychology. So, for the past 4 years, I have been immersed in the world of psychology through my undergraduate degree, and I knew from the get go that I wanted to go to law school, but I felt like psychology as an undergrad degree, as kind of the foundation, was going to help me because the way I perceive it, law is a human field. At the end of the day, you're dealing with people, you're trying to get your point across to people, you're going to be working with people, and all of the situations that happen. Even though we try to think that law is so distant and just set in stone, it's actually very human in nature. It's trying to put such complex situations, complex emotions into words that, end up becoming laws that we follow. And I think most importantly from my undergraduate degree is that understanding the psychology within the legal system in particular. So, for example, jury decision making, eyewitness testimony, interrogation tactics, and just understanding the psychological reasons why someone would commit certain crimes. I think that information and that knowledge has just been invaluable for me. It's allowed me to gauge a better understanding and, most importantly, an empathetic understanding into the career that I want to embark in. And most importantly, with that empathy, I think I'm going to become a better advocate for sure. Because when someone comes to, an attorney with a situation, whether they're on either side, whether they're the, victim or the perpetrator, whatever the situation is, there is trauma that is attached to that. It is a very traumatic situation, and there just needs to be more advocacy around increasing mental health awareness into those traumatic situations. No one comes to an attorney when things are perfect, when things are good. They come when things are hard and difficult and frankly bad. And that takes a mental toll on people. And so understanding the psychology behind the legal system as a whole, around people as a whole, and how important it is to broaden access to mental health within the legal field, all of that, I think, just comes together in such a nice way in advocating on behalf of your client, that they know that you truly care about them, not that you're there for the money or that you're there, just to, make the day go by, but because they matter to you, and because if they see that you truly understand what they're going through, then they're going to think that you're a better advocate for it, because you will be a better advocate. And that's how I feel about psychology within the legal field. Not to mention my personal goals as far as what kind of an attorney I want to be. There's so much within wrongful convictions that ties back into psychology. So initially, it used to be more about DNA and trying to use science to exonerate the innocent. And that still remains true, but it's become a science of a different sort. It's become psychology, and understanding why someone would give a false confession when they're being interrogated by police, why an eyewitness would actually give a false testimony regarding who they might have seen in the certain situation. And so that is psychology inherently. There's so much to understand within the psychological field, and wanting to advocate on behalf of people who have been wrongfully convicted, which is what I want to do with my career. And I think that my understanding of psychology has helped me already within law school to just be more empathetic within the cases and the clients that we work with. And also, I know in the future it's going to help me when I become the advocate, the lawyer that I want to become. So thank you so much for listening. I really appreciate it.